Adaisha. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but I'm back. So today I'm gonna be recreating my first viral hair tutorial that I made on Instagram. If you don't know about it, check it out. It's my crochet half up, half down hairstyle that I did on Instagram. That was my first video that like really helped me gain a lot of exposure on Instagram. It made me fall in love with hair tutorials that I would make for you guys, and now I just can't stop doing them because it's fun to me. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get to it. So my original crochet half up half down style had the Havana Mambo twist hair, but today I wanted to choose a different type of hair. I found this hair at the beauty store today and I fell in love with it. It's more curly, like I don't know how to explain it. It looks like Beyonce's half up half down. When she had that hair, it looks just like that. That's what I was going for. So the mama twist at that moment was like the perfect hair for me, but this is way better. This is the Ruwa Water Wave 18-inch crochet hair. But this is what it looks like. It's pre-stretched and there's 3 bulks in the package. And mine is in the color 1B. I don't think I'm gonna be using all 4 packs of hair, but I just bought 4 just in case. So I'll let y'all know at the end how many packs I used. So the first thing I did was I braided the back of my hair and I sectioned off the ponytail part, which I parted from ear to ear. So these are the braids and I'm just gonna crochet the hair all across these braids. So I'm gonna work on the ponytail first and I'm just gonna detangle my hair with this paddle brush. I'm just gonna sleek the ponytail with some product. So I plan on using a combination of the Eben Edge Control and Taraji Henson's new hairline. I know that there's like a lot of mixed reviews about this line, but like the Edge Control, that stuff works. This works, okay? So with these 2 products, I'm gonna sleek my hair into a ponytail, and I'm gonna also use this boar bristle paddle brush and just get it as sleek as possible. I'm just gonna take this edge brush and I'm gonna brush out all of my edges that I want to lay as baby hairs. Not as baby hairs, just the edges that I want to be laid. I'm gonna take the Taraji P. Henson Slick Edge Control, and instead of just using this cap, I'm gonna take the cap off because it's difficult to get out, and I'm gonna just put some on my hand. Just slap it on there. Get a rat tail comb and just comb out the roots as you're applying the edge gel. And yes, it's gonna get it right. Yup, here we go. I'm gonna double this up so it can be as tight as possible, and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Whew, all right, we got our ponytail. So now I'm gonna grab some free spray so my hair can stay in place. And now I'm gonna do my edges really quickly with the Eben Edge Control. And what I like to do when I do my edges is I like to put the edge control on directly with my finger, and I smooth my edges down first before I like, you know, do like the little swoop, swoop, swoop. It's just easier for me. And I'm gonna use my toothbrush. use the wrap strips to let my hair dry and set in place. Now I'm gonna do my bun, and I'm just gonna detangle my ponytail again and put it into 2 braids and then put it in a bun. I'm gonna braid my hair a little tight so when I put the crochet hair in, it'll stay and it won't come out. Then I'm gonna take a rubber band and place that on the end of the braid so it definitely won't come out. Alright, we got our pinwheels and now we're gonna put the braids into a small bun. And just to secure that, I'm gonna put another rubber band over the top of the bun so it will not come out. Okay, now we're gonna move on to crocheting the hair. I'm gonna start with the back and I'm gonna make my way to the ponytail. So this is the hair out the package. It's really bouncy and it's so soft. And like, it's shiny, but it's not like synthetic shiny, if you know what I mean. Like, it's a natural shine. And so far, I love this hair. Like, it's really soft. Like, it feels like my hair, like once I deep condition and like blow dry my hair and it's all soft and stuff. I just wanted to show y'all what I was talking about when I said when you separate the curls, it's like, it just gets even prettier. Like this crinkly texture that like I already know is gonna look bomb once I do this style. I want this look to be full and fluffy. So let's just see how many packs that's gonna take to get it to be full and fluffy. I'm gonna start with the back. I'm gonna take one piece at a time. Hopefully y'all know how to crochet. If not, I'll show you real quick. So I have the hair in my hand, on my left hand. And I'm a right-handed, so I have a crochet needle in my right hand. Put the crochet needle through my braid. Make sure the hook part is open. And then I'm going to hook the crochet hair onto the crochet needle and then close the hook and pull through. Open the hook back up. And then make a hole with my finger with the crochet hair and pull the rest of the hair through that hook and pull so I can make a knot. And it's that easy. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I'm not even halfway done and it's already so full. So like, maybe I'm putting too much on each braid. Like maybe I need to like space it out some more. So I'm gonna try that on the next couple braids because it's already getting so full. And I'm not even halfway done yet. That scares me, so I'll be right back. Finished the back and it only took 2 packs to finish the back, which is great. And it's so full and I already know it's gonna be even fuller once I pluck it out. So this is what it looks like. It is so big and fluffy and soft. I love it already. And it is 18 inches, so that reaches my lower back. So now I'm gonna move on to the ponytail part. This is the part that I need to take step by step because I see a lot of girls on Instagram have DM'd me like saying they had trouble doing this part since it was so sped up in the Instagram video. So I'm gonna slow it down and I'm gonna break it down step by step so y'all can get this right on the first try, okay? All right, let's get to it. So my bun is secure. Make sure your bun is secure before you start crocheting the hair onto the bun to make the ponytail, because if not, then the whole bun is gonna fall apart and the crochet hair is gonna fall apart with it and sure fall at that point. We're gonna crochet the hair all around the bun so it can fully be covered. So I'm gonna take the piece of crochet here and I'm gonna start at the base of the bun and start crocheting hair right there. So wherever I can get into is where I'm gonna crochet. I'm gonna start splitting each piece of hair into two because we don't need that much for the ponytail, because then it's gonna start feeling really heavy on top of your head and it's gonna give you a headache. Do the same thing all around the bun. Split it into two and crochet it onto the bun. On the back, I'm just feeling around the bun to see if there's any holes that I need to fill with the crochet hair, and then that's where I find the right space to put the crochet hair in the back, because I'm not using a mirror for the back, y'all. If I'm not using a mirror, y'all don't need a mirror either, okay? Y'all got this, okay? We got this. We're going through it together. We got it. Please don't forget to do the top of your bun. That is crucial. We need all of the bun to be covered. Half up, half down ponytails, or just any ponytail in general, I like to wrap like a piece of hair around the base of the ponytail. I just think it's cute. So I take one full piece of hair and I just put that at the very back of the ponytail on the base, so that can be the hair that I use to wrap around the ponytail. And I'm gonna just put like a clip to get it out the way, so I can save that for last. See, you can't even detect. Ooh, what was that accent? Southern? I don't know. You should not be able to see your bun at all when you flip your ponytail over once you're done crocheting all the hair. If you see any part of your ponytail, you need to crochet the hair in the spaces where it's visible. We don't need nobody clocking us. I'm good, I'm straight, so I'm gonna move on. Before I wrap it around, I'm just gonna brush it out a little. You don't have to do this, but I don't really want it to look curly around the base. I want it to look like straight, if you know what I mean. I don't want to have any crinkles. Well, as little to no crinkles as possible. But we are going to stretch it out, so it shouldn't have crinkles in the first place. Now, to wrap the piece of hair around the base of the ponytail, you're going to need freeze spray to make it stay. And you're going to need a bobby pin just to secure it even more. So stretch out the piece of hair, get your freeze spray, and just spray along the inside part where it's going to lay on. Take your bobby pin when you're at the end of the piece of hair. I like to bend mine because it like lays flatter to me, and I just pin it so it won't go nowhere. And make sure your bobby pin isn't sticking out when you do this. Now it's time for my favorite part. We're gonna fluff out the hair. I'm gonna start with the back. I'm just split this in half and start fluffing it out. So start from the ends and then separate. So like, see the difference when you fluff it out? Like, this just looks like really fake to me. I don't know, that's just my opinion, but like when you fluff it out, it just looks like a braid out, like a fresh braid out. I'm done flipping it out. This is how it all looks. I know this is a lot of hair, so I am going to trim it a little bit and just layer it. I really love this hair. Like, it's so soft. It feels like real version, like, I don't know, like some Malaysian deep curly hair. You would think I have some 18-inch Malaysian deep curly hair in my head, and I don't. I'm just gonna go down diagonally like this to create layers. Ponytail, I'm gonna tease the base out a little bit just to make it a little more fluffier. I think we did it, y'all. Alright, so I went to the bathroom and I finished cutting my hair in my desired cuts. I did have to take out a few pieces in the middle, in the back section, because it was like too thick. Let me take the wrap strips off and reveal these edges. Yes! This is the finished look. To tie it up at night, I usually just take a silk scarf to lay the ponytail down. Take this huge bonnet to cover up the back portion of my hair. That's it. Just a silk scarf and a large bonnet to protect your hair at night, and you should be good. This is my recreation of my half up, half down crochet style. If you do this style, make sure you tag me in it or DM me a picture, because I'm gonna post you guys on my story. I just want to thank you guys for just showing me love and just making me fall in love with doing hair and finding my passion, and that's all thanks to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week, I promise. All right, bye.